This Goupchn Multimeter test leads kit uses soft insulating silicone over pure copper conductors, so the cables stay flexible, durable, and maintain very low resistance even in demanding environments. The probes and banana plug ends are designed to interconnect with the various 4mm accessories in the kit, making it easy to reconfigure for different meters and test setups without fiddly adapters. A generous assortment of wire piercing tips, high voltage hooks, alligator clips, and test hooks lets you tackle everything from fine circuit board work to grabbing onto the bulky automotive wiring securely. The included tweezer-style probes are especially handy for surface mount components, allowing precise continuity and value checks without slipping off tiny pads or leads. Non-slip grips and thoughtful ergonomics across the accessories make long troubleshooting sessions more comfortable and help you keep a steady hold in tight panels or awkward positions. Because it is compatible with most handheld meters and suited for industrial, electronics, home, and automotive work, this 33-piece kit can easily serve as a primary lead set for many different testing tasks.